Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Beverly Hills Cop Nova. Got some work done on the body. The biggest and longest task being getting the front fenders on. As I had been warned, they did not fit right, so getting this lined up was quite a task. And it's not too bad. I still need to do a little bit of work, especially right here where it meets the cowl. On both sides. This side is actually a little bit worse. But because the car is so banged up, I've got a little more flexibility than if I was trying to make this a showroom clean model. But I also shaved off the Nova script and the 350 over the corner marker lights and cut out the roof pillars because, as you can see on this extra body I've got, these are really badly bowed. The wing windows are a little better, but still, there's really no way that I could save those. So I just cut it out altogether, and I'll be making some new ones out of styrene. I still need to fix the back corner of the window here. It's not supposed to be rounded off like that. But the biggest news is I've got the first major dent in it. And for doing this, what I like to do is I'll take a foil copy of the panel, just lay some foil right on the panel, smooth it down, then I cut out a hole in the body, glue the foil panel in place, and then just kind of push in where I need it to dent. And because it's such thin metal, it actually deflects like full-size sheet steel does. This is a little bit bigger than the dent on Axel's car. I'm going to have to do a little bit of filling here, but for the most part that's pretty close, at least close enough that I'm happy with it. Like I said, do a little cleanup. I gotta fill in where I cut the door handle off, so I'll be replacing those with some aftermarket pieces so they don't look like that. And yeah, I'll be repeating this process on the fender, the other door, and this corner of the front fender. And since that's going to be kind of a long process, I'm not going to have an update to this model next week. I'm actually going to be doing another retro review, so you can check back next week for that. And then the following week I should have the rest of the panels replaced as I need to, and I'll have another update on this. Thanks for watching.